Hi, I'm Becky Bavinger from the Bloomberg Philanthropies Public Health Team. Today, I'm taking you with me on my trip to Kampala, Uganda. We started our work in Uganda in 2020 to strengthen road safety policies, and at a city level, we work in Kampala to implement evidence-based interventions. Bicyclists, pedestrians, and motorcyclists accounted for 94% of Kampala's 425 road traffic fatalities in 2022. Here we are visiting one of the interventions to solve this crisis, a non-motorized transport corridor connecting key areas of the city. To promote the use of this corridor, Kampala erected signs and bike racks. However, our work continues to reduce fatalities and injuries by bringing speeds down to safe levels and promoting correct helmet use, which is almost non-existent among both drivers and passengers of motorcycles. During my time in Uganda, I met with many of the country's leaders and some of our partners in the road safety initiative, like the Lord Mayor of Kampala. We discussed the alarming rise in road traffic fatalities, especially among motorcyclists and pedestrians, and how to address it with investments in better road infrastructure for pedestrians and continued police enforcement of motorcyclists. We also met with the Minister of Works and Transport, who recently adopted regulations to implement the Traffic and Road Safety Amendment Act of 2023. Our support to the ministry is to ensure that their policies align with the World Health Organization's guidance on best practices. Finally, we launched a new status summary report with our partners Johns Hopkins University and Makerere University, which highlights findings from our data collection work around Kampala. And to close out a busy trip, we took an excursion to the place where the Nile River originates out of Lake Victoria in a town called Jinja. Thank you for joining me.